To all, welcome to our channel JNS Public Inter College. Here, Pratiksha Srivastav. Today we will start with our chapter Computer Network. What is computer network? Definition of computer network. A computer network is a collection of interconnected computers for sharing information and various resources. Okay, that means a computer network is a collection of various computing devices. The purpose of computer network is so that the computer devices can share the data. Means we have to connect the various devices, various heterogeneous, homogeneous kind of devices. The purpose of computer network is they can share something. The main part of the computer network is to share the data. Now, in the computer network, component of a communication network, we are having one sender and one receiver. The sender is trying to send some data to the receiver. So, sender and receiver, it can be a machine, means it can be a user. So how user will be sending the data through a machines. So we can say sender is writing a program to send some data to the received. Now how it will send the data? It needs some kind of connection. Connection can be like with wire connections. We have wireless connection also. So whatever connection it is, whether wired or wireless. But first of all, we need some connection. So through the connection, the packets, the data will move from the sender machine to the receiver machine. Okay. Next, medium. A medium is the physical path that connects a sender and a receiver. It is used to transmit data. The medium can be a copper wire, a fiber optic cable, and so on. It is also called communication channel. Okay. Next, types of network. There are different types of network. First, personal area network. Second, local area network. And next, metropolitan area network. Fourth, wide area network. Fifth, campus area network. Sixth and last, wireless local area network. Okay, इसे हम फर्स्ट टॉपिक मैन PAN, personal area network. What is PAN? A personal area network is the smallest network which is very personal to a user. This may include Bluetooth enabled devices or infrared enabled devices. Next, PAN has connectivity range up to 10 meters. And next, PAN may include wireless computer keyboard and mouse, Bluetooth enabled headphones, wireless printers and TV remotes. Next, LAN. LAN, that means local area network. LAN is local area network. A local area network is a privately owned computer network covering a small network's geographical area. Example, a home, office or building, a school network. A LAN is used to connect the computers and other network devices so that the devices can communicate with each other to share the resources. They are widely used in business organization, factories, college, university, industry to sharing the resources such as files or hardware devices, etc. Next, MAN, Metropolitan Area Network. MAN's network is larger than LAN and it can cover a city and its surrounding areas. Generally, MANs can be created by interconnecting two LANs. MANs is made up the combination of two or more than two LANs. Geographical area covered by MAN is larger than LAN network but smaller than WAN. WAN, that means wide area network. Next, these networks deliver fast and efficient communication by using a high-speed carrier fiber optic cables. The best known example of MAN is a cable television networks available in whole city. Next, WAN, wide area network. A wide area network is a telecommunication network. WAN is used for communication black and white devices of a large geographical area such as countries or continent, and uses common carriers like satellite system, telephone line, etc. A WAN can contain multiple smaller networks such as LANs or MANs. The internet is the largest WAN spanning the earth. WANs are commonly connected either through the internet or a special arrangement made with phone companies or other service providers. The speed of WAN network depends on the cost of the Next, CAN, campus area network. As the name implies, a CAN covers a group of buildings such as those in a college campus or an office campus. It is basically a collection of LANs spread over various buildings. It connects computer and devices which are in a physical area larger than a commercial complex. CAN is also a wide network. Next, WLAN. WLAN, that means wireless local area network. WLAN connects computers without the use of wires or cables. All the computers and devices are connected with each other through wireless fidelity or Wi-Fi in short. WLAN uses radio signals instead of cables to connect different computers in a network. WLANs are widely used these days, especially in homes and offices. At the center of WLAN is a wireless router called the access point. Since anyone can connect to this wireless network, you should secure it with the password. Next, benefit of computer network. Benefits, first file sharing, and next hardware sharing, application sharing, user communication, network gaming. Okay, thank you.